Ari said.
It will affect still.
If you mention password, please subscribe.
Si May, follower ko yan eh.
Card.
That's harder.
Ayun, baka lang nebas. Ayun lang ang ka.
Papanood ko, sabi ko, saan ko sa GC? No way! Nakita ko sa vlog mo yun? Buti ko
Ano naman, Riaji? Oh? Ako si Henry. Rina, my high school best friend. Babe, pina-follow nyo ba kami?
Pinayin
Hi,
yun din. And
this is
then,
my high school best
figure ko
friend.
is gonna try the same.
Totoo.
Samosa.
Ah, okay. Here we are at Hosseins, or whatever you call it. At Persian, but we have empanada.
Samosa. It's a vegetable samosa.
Okay, smarty pen. Joke lang. Joke lang. Hello. The lovebirds.
So try it.
Just get-
And that's chutney.
You want to try? Ito si Bina. May agat ba? Nagpapakilala tayo, guys. Ano? Natingin na siya sa'yo. And here we are. Yan, talino niya.
Yeah. Let me check.
Ang talino niya, B. Di ba? You have to taste it and then make
No,
a...
you got, I know. Oh.
Sa'yo. And then make a review. Okay.
This is a little piece of each 5%.
Amen.
Itadakimasu.
Babe, yung ginamit nila punda.
Tikman mo na, B, para may review kayo.
Pakita mo yung punda.
Oh, napunda.
It's flatbread. It's called roti.
Roti, guys.
It's flatbread. No, it's not tortilla.
Gusto niya yan maging tortilla. Ito ang haba na nito.
Yeah. And so his mom would make the best Indian food. And
So that's why.
yeah.
He knows this and he cooks also.
And so yeah, I